Good morning students. Today we are going to start issue of debentures. In addition to raising capital by issue of shares, a company requiring funds from their debentures, and debenture is a certificate that contains the term of repayment of money. आप मनी को रीपे करते हो with their principal and interest. We have different types of debentures. Number one, secured or mortgage debentures. Number two, unsecured or net debentures. Number three, registered or bearer debentures. Number four, redeemable and irredeemable debentures. Number 5, convertible and non-convertible debentures. Secured debentures are those debentures in which some amount is secured for these debentures. Mortgage debenture and secured debenture the same. Unsecured, where no security is to be kept for these. Unsecured or net debentures are those debentures where there is no security to issue of these debentures. Registered debentures or bearer debentures. Registered debentures are those debentures the name of that debenture holders are kept or written in the book. And bearer debentures are those debentures the name of these debentures are not in the register of company. Redeemable debentures are those debentures which may be payable after some time, and irredeemable debentures are those debentures which will be paid up only the date of wind up of your company. When your company will be in liquidation position, then these debentures will be redeemed. Convertible debentures are those debentures which can be converted into new equity shares, new preference shares, new debentures. And non-convertible debentures are those debentures which cannot be converted into shares or any other bonds or debenture. Now we are going to start the entries. Issue of debentures from the point of view of redemption of debentures. Number 1. Issue of debentures at par and redemption at par. These entries are very important because after these entries we will do write off these discount or loss on issue of debentures account. Issue at par means debenture issue at 100, redemption at also 100. Then bank account debit to the rate of these debenture is always written prefix of that debenture. 10% debenture application and allotment. Debenture application and allotment. Application and allotment. To debentures. For example, 2000 debentures at the rate of 100 means 2 lakh debentures. Rupees 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh. And 2 debentures 2 lakh. Issue at premium, redemption at par. Issue at premium. Redemption at par means this premium is your security premium and this is a profit for company. Then bank account debit allotment, debentures into 110, 2,20,000 debenture application and allotment to 10% debenture to security premium 220, 2 lakh and 20,000. Issue at discount redemption at par. This is your discount on debentures. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment. 1,90,000, 2,000 into 95. Debenture application and allotment. Discount on debentures to 10% debenture 1,90,000, 10,000 and 2 lakh, because debentures can be issued at par, at premium and at discount, but shares cannot be issued at discount. Shares can be issued only at par and premium 100 at the rate of 100 or 100 at the rate of 110, 115, at par 100 at 100, 100 at 110, 120, premium maybe 20, 30, 40, and at discount maximum 10% discount can be given on issue of debentures. Next, entry issue at par, redemption at premium, issue at 100 and redemption at 110. Company knows that there is a loss of ₹10 at the time of redemption. So company will cover this money at the time of issue. Bank account debit to debentures application and allotment 2 lakh debenture application and allotment loss to debentures to premium on redemption 2 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh and 10,000. Issue at discount, redemption at premium, allotment debenture application and allotment loss on issue of debentures to debentures to premium on redemption. $95, $15, $100 and $10 means 2000 shares into 95, that is 1,90,000, 1,90,000, 1,90,000, 10 rupees premium plus 5 rupees discount, 30,000 loss, 2 lakh debentures and 20,000 premium on redemption. Now we are going to do debentures at premium. Redemption at premium. Debentures are issued at premium and redemption at premium. This premium is your security premium and this is premium on redemption. Premium on redemption. So, bank account debit issue at 105, redemption at 1110. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment 2,10,000 debenture application and allotment loss on issue of debentures to debentures to security premium to premium on redemption. To 20,000 loss, debentures 2 lakh, security premium 10,000 and 20,000 premium on redemption. These are the entries related to issue of debentures and redemption of debentures.